welcome to my vlog. I'm just gonna be taking you guys along for another day in the life. Today is July 4th, so I thought it would be fun to just kind of vlog around. No crazy special plans for today. We're just gonna hang out with the family. We're gonna do a little cook-off later and maybe get the splash pad going for my kids. But yeah, I got ready. I just did my hair, did a whole face of makeup. I do have some content to shoot later. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly videos. I am currently on a summer break. I'm a teacher, so I do have a lot more time on my hands in summer. So I am determined to get some more content going, especially on YouTube. I also am very active on Instagram and TikTok, so make sure to follow me there. I'll go ahead and leave my ad here. But yeah, thanks for watching. Good morning. Today is July 4th and I felt like vlogging, you know, a little day in the life. So let's start with breakfast. My mom just made us this plate. We have some toasted bread, a fried egg, avocado, arugula, and we bought some burrata recently. So we've been putting burrata on our breakfasts and it's been super yummy. We have a slight drizzle of balsamic. We don't usually buy burrata, but I bought it just out of curiosity and it's super yummy. So I think I'm just gonna make it like a regular thing as part of our menu. But we're gonna top everything onto the toast. And we have some coffee. Isn't this cup so cute? I got this cup from Temu actually. And it's really good quality. It's just so adorable. We have a nice plate of fruit. It's not all for me, but it's a nice healthy breakfast. Bon appetit! This is what we have to look at every time when we're eating. It's so hard to resist. Daphne! Daphne! Oh, now there's Luna. She's like, what's going on, guys? Those are some apples. Luna! So I'm in my bathroom right now and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, put a fresh face of makeup on, and I just wanted to kind of film a little get ready with me. I also have my, let's see, my phone stuck on my mirror there. I got the little like suction thing, so that's been a game changer. I'm just gonna try to film something for like TikTok or IG Reels while I'm at it. So yeah, I'm trying to multitask today. So let's get started. The Merit, kind of with a concealer stick, but I also can double it up as a foundation. And immediately regret it. And I'm just gonna go with my hands today, and I'm just gonna quickly go in. I mean, you see how pigmented it is? It's crazy. It's so pigmented. I love how opaque it is, and I usually just go in with my Merit brush, and I'm just gonna dab and blend everything in. Be very patient. There we go. I got it recently from my Ipsy box. It's a nice like golden shade. I forgot to totally put on some sunscreen. This is the new Abib sunscreen, the Sun Stick. They came out with a new one It's the Airy one, the Airy Sun Stick, and it has more of a matte finish. It says itself, it's a smoothing bar. Looks like this. And it also comes in transparent. It literally doesn't feel like I put anything on. It leaves a very matte, smooth finish. So I'm just gonna wait for my makeup to kind of set first. I'm gonna go in with my Kimchi Chic setting spray that I also got from one of my Ipsy packages. Okay. Now I have to deal with this hair. And I'm really excited because on Thursday, I am getting my hair done. I'm gonna go ahead and get a balayage, however you pronounce it. I'm just gonna brush everything out. I think I'm just gonna curl it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just curl it off the camera and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I just got done getting ready. I finished doing my hair, so it's nice and curly. This is how everything came out to look like. And I like the way my makeup came out today. I had a little bit more time to get ready. So yeah, I ended up adding a little bit of eyeliner at the ends so that it gives my eyes a little bit more of a pop. I do have some content to shoot later in a different dress, so I thought it might be a good idea. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get on with my day. Say hi. I just finished doing Everly's hair for the 4th of July. This is how it turned out. It's actually a really easy hairstyle. And I'm gonna post the tutorial on my Insta, so make sure you check that out. I got them these little pinwheels yesterday. It's so hot today. Hi, babies. Hi, Lunars. Oh, look at them. Oh, stretchy, stretchy. Hi, Delilah. Today's lunch is the product carbonara, spicy noodles. We add some mozzarella cheese in there already. But this looks yummy. Bon appetit. So good. Perfect amount of spice. Alright, I'm gonna make some green tea matcha latte. So I am currently heating up the water, and I like that you can set your own temperature. So we're gonna set this to 175 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna wait for that to get all situated. And I'm going to get my matcha bowl out. I have this one that I got as a present a few years back. That's how it looks. One, two, maybe a little bit more. About that much should be good. Take your whisk and start making really quick, like W or M shape movements. And just whisk that until you have a nice, like, foamy top. Okay, so I finished whisking my matcha. I have my cup, and I recently went to TJ Maxx and I bought this really cute, like, flower ice mold. So we're gonna pop these babies out. These are so cute. I'm gonna drop these in. They're so cute. So glad I got these. See these cute flowers. I'm gonna use some Costco oat milk. Okay, so I added a little bit more ice. Oh, forgot about this guy. Look at that pretty color. I'm gonna add a splash of the vanilla bean syrup. Tiny splash. Okay, we're gonna mix. Pretty good. I actually bought this for my daughter, but I'm just gonna put a tiny bit in. Let's experiment together. Ooh, that's pretty good. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Not really green anymore, but ooh, this is really good. Pretty good. So, my husband is currently outside setting up the girls' splash pad. I am kind of cooling down right now with my matcha strawberry syrup latte. So I think we're gonna spend the rest of today just kind of relaxing, chilling, spending time with the girls, and then we will watch some fireworks later tonight. I think we're gonna grill, so I'll get some footage of us grilling a bit and some fireworks footage. We have some yummy things on the grill. We got some burgers going, baked potatoes, chicken apple sausages, some hot dogs, and some buns. It's just us and the girls and my parents, so it's not too big of a cookout. Luna! She's so scared of the fireworks. We're trying not to let her out. Hi, Daphne! Hi! Hi, girls! Hi, girl! So excited! Hi, Delilah! Hiya! Hi, Delilah! Did you have a good dinner? Huh? Did you have a good dinner? Did you see that, Effie? Did you guys see that?
I just saw a firefly.
Whoa, there's one right there. Wow.